In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Jackbox games on Steam. If you're new to Jackbox, these are party games designed to be played together either in the same room or over a call, and everyone joins using their phone or any web-enabled device. You only need one copy on the host computer, which makes it a fun and affordable way to get a group playing fast. First, head to the Steam app or the Steam website and make sure you're signed in. Go to the store and in the search bar at the top, type Jackbox. This pulls up all the options, from individual titles to the popular Jackbox party packs. If you want a broader selection, try typing Jackbox Party Pack to see the numbered collections. Use the filters on the side to narrow by operating system if you're on Mac, Windows, or Steam Deck, and double check you're looking at the official publisher so you know you're on the right page. If the results feel overwhelming, sorting by relevance or user reviews can quickly surface the most loved packs. Next, select the game you want from the results. Each Jackbox Party Pack includes multiple games, usually so click into a pack to read the descriptions and watch the trailer. Look at the player counts, the kinds of games included, like drawing, trivia, bluffing, or wordplay, and whether they fit your group's vibe. Check the system requirements to make sure your computer is supported, and glance at the recent reviews to get a sense of performance and features. If you're deciding between packs, compare which specific titles appeal to you most. Older packs are often classics, while newer ones introduce fresh mechanics. You can also use the wishlist button if you want to track sales. Then, just buy it. Click Add to Cart, choose Purchase for Myself, and complete checkout with your preferred payment method. Steam often runs discounts during big sales, so if you're budget conscious, watching for those events can save you money. After purchase, Steam will begin downloading automatically. You can see progress in your library and pause or resume as needed. Once it's installed, you're ready to play. Jackbox titles are designed to be simple to start. Launch the game from your library, choose a title within the pack, and follow the on-screen instructions. Players join by opening a web browser on their phone and going to the website shown on screen, then entering the room code. For the smoothest session, keep the host screen visible to everyone and use a stable internet connection for remote play. Enjoy and have fun with your crew.